Hey, good morning. What's going on? We're stuck in the desert in a windstorm. Wow. We had a little bit of rain and now we've got just wicked wind. So, time to do some cooking. We need to eat some good breakfast today since we can't do anything. Let's see what we got going. Oh, yeah. So, the plan is not to have another egg burrito. We're gonna have egg tacos. Huh? Sriracha, cheese. So you just slide one of those eggs with red pepper and onion. Slide it right down in there. Heat up the taco shell a little bit. Oh yeah, I think Taco Bell's doing that now. I think that's where I got the idea. So I'll get back to you and let you know how it is. Alright. Got the cheese melting on there. Ooh! That smells good. Oh, gotta put some sriracha on there. I like to cook the sriracha in instead of cold sriracha. Let's see how that's gonna do there. Not too much. Oh yeah. Let that simmer. It's hard to get this flame just right. Just can't get it low enough. I love this little stove, but just can't get it low enough. We're gonna have a little kiwi. Woo! Some egg tacos. Let's go see what's going on. Oh, we're gonna have some banana. The house is a wreck. My best little friend is still going. That is the best investment. I don't know what I'm doing with my buddy heater, but this thing is 100 million times better. So here's the camp. Well, it doesn't look too bad as far as wind goes out there. I mean dust, but we still have the wind. I moved yesterday and put the trailer into the wind. I knew we were going to get a northwest wind, so I went ahead and moved it into the wind and left the truck attached. Put the jacks down. We're in good shape. Alrighty, stuck in the trailer. It's a snow day without snow, just wind. All right, the egg tacos are ready. Oh, that looks good. Got a little kiwi, some banana. Well, let's see how it is. I just love Mexican food, so this has got to be good. It's just got to be. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Egg tacos in the desert. There's nothing better. See ya.